Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video you will learn how to create a Udemy account for getting paid courses for 100% free with lifetime access and certificate of completion. Follow me step by step. If you don't have any Udemy account, please follow my steps very carefully. First, go to your web browser and click on search bar, type udemy.com and click on enter. This will open this page. Now click on sign up. Write your full name. Now type your email address. Put your password. Now click on yes. Click on sign up. That's it. You have created your Udemy account. Now click on the plus button to get new tab. Now search for a website. You will get 100% free Udemy coupons. Type free biz global. Choose any of the courses you want. You will get limited time free 100% off coupons here. You will get few courses with $10 or above or less. Forget those courses. Click any of the courses with highest rated. Suppose I will choose Instagram marketing for Instagram business. Close this pop-up. Scroll down a bit. Click on get this deal. Now this will open this page. Click on enroll. You can see your card is free. Click on enroll now. Continue on enroll now. That's it. The course is yours now and you can start your course from here. The second website I would recommend is real.discount. DISCOUNT. Click enter. In this website you will find the Udemy courses of 100. Just go to any of the courses. You will see how much time left for expiration. Go to any of the courses and click on like I will choose any of the courses for free, presentation skills. Close this pop-up and click on get coupon. Again this will open the same page as before. Now click on enroll now. Click on continuing enroll now. Wait a few seconds. That's it. The course is yours now. You can start your course from here. The third website I would recommend is udemy.com and click on enter. In this website you will get only the 100% off free paid courses for lifetime. Click any of the languages you prefer. In this website you will get 100% off Udemy paid courses coupon. Click any of the category you want to learn. Suppose I will click on this course. Click on that. Keep scrolling down and click on take course. Close the pop-up. Now click on this link. This will appear as previous to. Now click on enroll now. Your total amount is $0.0. Continue on, click enroll now. Click on enroll now. That's it. You will have the lifetime access to watch these videos or courses again and again. Now in this course I will show you how to get certificate immediately. Click on start course. Click on next. Click any of the option, next. Click any of the option, next, and finish. Here you can see get Udemy certificate by completing entire course. The Udemy certificate is not showing right now. Follow me to get Udemy courses in 1 minute. Just fill up this. Just fill the box with check mark. That's it. Continue to fill the box and you will see your progress on above trophy circle. That's it. You can see your progress. Click on that and now you can see the 41 of 41 complete. Your completion of certificate being prepared. Just reload this page. Click on Udemy certificate. Click on download. You can choose any of the format. I'll choose JPG. Here you can see certificate of completion from Udemy and I get this certificate in 2 minutes. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If this tutorial helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks again.